Here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a Terramite T9 tractor loader backhoe. This has the Kubota 3-cylinder turbocharged diesel in it. Really hard to little fine tractor. The T9. These are a real heavy duty tractor. These are a little bigger than the T5Cs. The purpose of this video today is to give you a quick 360-degree view of this machine. Show you that it does start, run, and work just the way we say it does. We're going to go ahead and start you right here in the engine bay. This tractor has 2,377 hours on it. Was a one owner. Come from a small rental company. You can see here it's powered by the Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. It is turbocharged, and it should be a D1105 3-cylinder diesel. We have put this in the shop. We changed fuel filter, engine oil, air filters, and hydraulic filter. This is not a brand new tractor. We want you to understand that. There's been a couple little weld repairs on it. Down here there was a couple little cracks and some welds that they had fixed, and back on the boom we'll point all that out. We're just pointing that out to you. It's not a new Terramite, but this is a T9 diesel. You don't see many of these. We actually have 2 of these for sale right now. The engine's good and clean. Everything works good there. Engine oils and stuff, like we said, we've changed everything. Again, 2,377 hours. Machine has power steering, good tires all the way around. Front bucket has a little bow in the center of the cutting edge, just pointing that out. None of the cylinders are pouring oil out or anything like that. No abnormal leaks. Front and rear lights work. Seats are in good, both the seat top cushion and bottom cushion are both in good condition. We believe the machine to be a 2004 or 2005 year model. We'll give you a close-up of the gauge cluster and the implements there. The instruments. You can see the tires are still in decent condition. I'd rate them to be 40 to 50%. Back here on the boom, there was a weld up here. Doesn't affect anything. We're just pointing it out. We like to be 100% honest here at Mark Supply 88. Has a good bucket on it. I believe that's an 18-inch bucket with the quick attach, single pin quick attach Terramite bucket. These will dig 10 foot deep. Boom lock works, outriggers all work good, standard joystick controls. Does have the ROPS, rollover protection 4-post with a roof. This time I'm going to go ahead and start this Terramite. I'm going to dig with it for you. We'll close the hole up and we'll push you over there in the pile with you, show you that everything works. the video, this Terramite does everything it's supposed to do. It digs really well. Don't be, what do I want to say, don't be backward about a Terramite. They are a digging fool of a little tractor. They really dig nice. Again, 10-foot digging depth on a machine this size. Again, powered by the Kubota 3-cylinder turbo diesel. Nice little machine. Other than the things that we pointed out, it's not a brand new machine. It's no piece of junk either. You can do a lot of work with this around your property. If you want something that you don't want to spend $20,000 for, here is a wonderful machine. It'll fit your application. If you want to combine and run this machine, you're more than welcome to do so. We have nothing to hide here at Mark Supply 88. That is why we take the time to do the videos to show our customers what we really have for sale here. And again, we do take the time to run it through the shop and change the filters and oils. So if you have any questions, please call us at 814-658-3066. We'll be glad to help you in any way that we can. If you need a shipping rate, just let us know. We'll be glad to provide you one. Again, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBaying.